Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by cleaning the area so the sticker adheres without trapping dirt. You test a small detachment on an unseen corner to confirm the paint won't lift. Next, use painter's tape to map the layout and a level to keep things straight. This avoids repeated repositioning that damages paint. Once the surface is dry and the placement marks are set, you're ready to transfer the sticker. Align carefully and prepare to apply from one edge outward. Peel the backing gradually, expose about 1/3 so you can line up the sticker precisely, and avoid touching the adhesive. Hold the sticker taut and press down gently, then use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in a soft cloth to smooth from the center outward, pushing air and moisture away. If wrinkles appear, lift the edge slowly and reapply while keeping the adhesive warm with your hand. This prevents tugging that can pull paint off. Make sure edges are sealed firmly. After smoothing, trim any overhang with a new razor held at a low angle and press all edges again for a secure bond. If small bubbles remain, prick them with a sterile pin and press the air out with your squeegee. This avoids large lifts. If you notice paint lifting, stop immediately. Apply gentle heat with a hair dryer and use a dedicated adhesive remover sparingly to reseat the sticker without ripping paint. Finally, let it cure undisturbed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.